In this session, let us learn about Java references keywords. Java is a set of keywords that reserved words that cannot be used as variables, methods, classes or any other identifiers. Abstract keyword. A non-access modifier used for classes and methods. An abstract class cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. An abstract method can only be used in an abstract class, and it does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass inherited from. Asset keyword. For debugging, a Boolean keyword, a data type that can only store true and false values. Break keyword, a breaks out of a loop or a switch block. Byte keyword, a data type that can store whole number from -128 and 127. Case keyword, marks a block of code in switch statements. Catch keyword, catches exceptions generated by statements. Char keyword, a data type that is used to store a single character. Class keyword, define a class. Continue keyword, continues to the next iterations of a loop. Constant keyword, defines a constant not in use, use final instead. Default keyword, specifies the default block of code in a switch statement. Do keyword, used together with while to create a do while loop. Double keyword, a data type that can store whole numbers from 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. Else keyword, used in conditional statements. Enum keyword, declares an enumerated unchangeable type. Exports keyword, exports a package with a module new in Java 9. Extends keyword, extends a class, indicates that a class is inherited from another class. Final keyword, a non-access modifier used for classes, attributes and methods, which makes them non-changeable, impossible to inherit or override. Finally keyword, uses the exceptions, a block of code that will execute no maker if there is an exception or not. Float keyword, a data type that can store whole number from 3.4e minus 038 to 3.4e plus 038. For keyword, create a for loop. Go to keyword, not in use and has no function. If keyword, makes a conditional statement. Implements keyword, implements an interface. Import keyword, used to import a package, class or interface. Instance of keyword, checks whether an object is an instance of a specific class or an interface. Int keyword, a data type that can store whole number from -2147843648 to 2147483647. Interface keyword, used to declare a special type of class that only contains abstract method. Long keyword, a data type that can store whole number from minus so on to -92223 and so on. Module keyword, declares a module new in Java 9. Native keyword, specifies that a method is not implemented in the same Java source file but in another language. New keyword, creates a new object. Package keyword, declare a package. Private keyword, an access modifier used for attributes, methods and constructors, make them only accessible within the declared class. Protected keyword, an access modifier used to attributes, methods and constructors, making them accessible in the same package and subclasses. Public keyword, an access modifier used for classes, attributes, methods and constructors, making them accessible by any other class. Requires keyword, specifies required libraries inside a module in new in Java 9. Return keyword, finishes the execution of a method and can be used to return a value from a method. Short keyword, a data type that can store whole number from -32768 to 32767. Static keyword, a non-access modifier used for methods and attributes. Static methods or attributes can be accessed without creating an object of a class. Strict FP keyword, restrict the precision and rounding of floating point calculations. Super keyword, refers to superclass parent objects. Switch keyword, selects one of many code blocks to be executed. Synchronized keyword, a non-access modifier which specifies the methods can only be accessed by one thread at a time. This keyword refers to the current object in a method or constructor. Throw keyword, creates a custom error. Throws keyword, indicates what exceptions may be thrown by a method. Transient keyword, a non-access modifier which specifies that an attribute is not part of an object's persistent state. Try keyword, creates a try catch statement. Where keyword, declares a variable new in Java 10. Void keyword, specifies that a method should not have a return value. Volatile keyword, indicates that an attribute is not cached thread locally and is always ready from the main memory. While keyword, creates a while loop. Note, true, false and null are not keywords, but they are literals and reserved words that cannot be used as identifiers. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 53, Java keywords. In next video, let us learn about another topic, abstract Boolean break byte case keywords.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.